valve. So yeah, so this is the power supply that they got. It seems that they replaced it, the original one, as you can see in the tape here. It's not the original. So let's see what's happening here. We need to connect. It's powering on. So let's see the problem. They actually just sold me this one for about $10, and let's see if we can fix it cheaply. Okay, I guess it's the humming, that's what they're talking about, like the problem is. I don't know if you can hear that one, but it's making that sound. Especially on distortion or overdrive. See that sound? Let me get a guitar so we can try it. Yeah, it's really clean on a clean stuff. That's number 3. And when you go to overdrive, it will do that stuff, that noise. That static there is just coming from the electric fence that's nearby. That's why it's doing that. So let's see if we can fix this one. I think the faulty is the power supply that they replaced with. It's a transformer power supply, but it's not regulated. So I think this is the problem. So I'll go get some regulated power supply and then try to replace it. But I need to take this end here. Okay, I got this one here. This is the same voltage. It's higher amperage. So this is 9 volts, and this one here is 9 volts too. Yeah, it's 780 milliamps, 12 watts. So this one is 9 volts too. So yeah, we'll try to replace this one with this one, because I had same problem before with the electric effects, electric guitar effects. So let's try to, but first of all we need to cut this off. We have to cut this off and put it over there. Okay, before we tape this one, we need to make sure it's working the way we want. Let's see if it solved the problem. So just we'll just leave this one open. Just make sure it doesn't the two terminals doesn't contact, so they're split apart. Plug it. Press the power. Let's set it to the same number. That's 93. What was it? That one, same as well. 03. Seems like it solved the problem. Yep. That the electric fence is still clocking, clicking. Yeah, but see the noise is gone, so at least we fix the problem and it's the gadget is usable again. So you know what to do if you replace like the adapter for this guitar effects. It's either the same as the original or replace it with regulated ones, not this kind of just transformer because it's different circuitry on each guitar effects. So yeah, we'll just finalize that and we're good to go. It's not always the case, but this time it works. So that's the important thing, I guess. Make sure to tape it well so we don't short. Try it one more time though. I'll make sure. All right. Thank you for watching.